So the first thing I did, I removed the plastic that is just pushed into these two brackets and these two brackets. Then you have these screws holding on. It's like a plastic thing, and only these two needs to be removed, because then you could wiggle the whole part. You can take it out. Behind here is all the old wire management that they did, but what's important is that here is the starters, one starter and another starter. This one I already removed it, so I'm gonna show you how. So the problem is that one one I could take it out because this could rotate 90 degrees, so I could take the pins out of here, but the other one, as you can see, I could not rotate them, so I could not take out the pins. I don't know why they are correct or it's a different model, I'm not sure, I'll have to see. But how I removed this neon, which was impossible to remove, see these plastic things here, up and down. I push strong with a flathead screwdriver while holding the neon, and when you push down, this will go down here. When you push up, it will go up. So it's important to hold the neon with your other hand, don't drop it, and then you can push this apart and then your neon will come out. Okay, it seems that I can lean this on my mirrors, so I can use the hand for filming. So here I can simply take it out on the other side and rotate the starter and take it out as well. So I'll try to do this with one hand because I'm holding the other one. You rotate 90 degrees and then it's coming out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do when I buy a new bulb, I will just simply put the pins there where is the metallic pins. See them there? The two pins of the other side, and on this side I will keep just one way in and the other thing is out, and I will just slightly push it outwards if it permits. I put the other two pins in and then like this, and then I pull it towards me so the other plastic comes back, and that's it. As for the other one, they are easy to rotate, and I'm gonna put it the second time. So you cannot find any more old models, so I bought this one with the LED, and it's a good alternative, and I will try it. It comes with its own starter, so you have to take the old starter and put the new starter back. So it comes like this with a starter, you just have to pull it out. So try to put it in the one that works, that we can rotate. First I pull out the starter. Actually, I should have disconnected the electricity before. And I'm going to insert the new starter. Then I slide it on one side and then on the other side. Just slide it in and rotate up. Oh, I need two hands for this, sorry. Okay, and it's working. I'm quite disappointed, but it's expected. It's just LED, it will never match the power of a normal tube. So the LED is not like the normal neon, it's instant light. I press now, instant. Which is not bad.